Chapter. Bring your palms in your heart center. Take a deep breath in and long breath out. Inhale, raise the arms up. And exhale, bring your left palm on the right knee, right palm behind the body. With every exhalation, put the belly in and twist a little bit more. Try to find the space between the vertebrae. Stay here for one more breath. And inhale, raise the arms up, palms together. Exhale, open arms to the other side. And try to push the right shoulder forward, left shoulder back. And inhale, raise the arms up, palms together. Exhale, palms in your heart center. And now rest the palms on the mat. Inhale, raise the left arm up. Exhale, side bend. Drop the left hip towards the mat. And keep lengthening the left side of the body. And gently back to center. Let's do the other side. Inhale, raise the right arm up. And exhale, side bend. So feel free to bend the left elbow. We relax the left shoulder and just focus on the stretch on the right side of the body. And slowly back to center. And now we come into tabletop position. Spread the fingers, knees hip width apart. From here, drop the belly down, chest move forward, look forward. We try to activate our spine. Stay here for one more breath. And exhale, chin to chest towards the sky, tuck the buttocks under. Push yourself away from the ground. Stay here for one more breath. Tuck the toes under, downward facing dog. Spread the fingers, toes slightly in. When you turn the toes in, try to turn the inner thigh muscles towards the end of the mat so we can deepen the stretch. Lift the sitting bones up. Stay here for one more breath. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Stay here for one more breath. Turn the left toes pointing towards the mat. And bring your left knee to right elbow and hold for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, bring your left leg between hands. Ground the back knee on the mat. So try to walk your back knee a little bit backwards so we can sink the hips down. And now interlock the fingers behind the body and stretch out. Tuck the buttocks under, put the belly in, present the heart to the sky. We are stretching the front torso. Stay here for one more breath. Slowly release, rest the palms on the mat. Send the hips up and back, straighten the front leg, dorsiflex the front foot, and pull the front hip back to square the hips. With every inhalation, lengthen the spine. With every exhalation, go deeper. Relax the head, Soften the neck. Feel the stretch of the back of the left leg, the calf and the hamstring. Inhale, look forward, bend the front knee and raise the arms up. Take a deep breath in and long breath out. Draw the shoulder blades together. Palms on the mat and send your front leg back to downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in and long breath out. Let's do the other side. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Square the hips. So try to bring your shoulders in line with each other. Bring your right knee to left elbow and hold for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift the right leg. Exhale, bring your right leg between hands. Ground the back knee on the mat and walk the left knee backward. When you are ready, squeeze the inner thigh muscles and interlock the fingers behind the body. Stretch out. Draw the shoulder blades together. Present the heart to the sky. Stay here for 1 more breath. Press the front foot. And exhale, palms on the mat. Send the hips up and back. Straighten the front leg. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bend forward. Just feel the stretch. 1 more breath. Inhale, look forward, bend the front knee and raise the arms up. Relax the shoulders. Bring your palms at the front of the mat and back to downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in and long breath out. Bring your right leg between hands and inhale, raise the arms up. So try to square the hips here. Feel free to micro bend the back knee. And now bring your palms in your heart center. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, lean forward and try to swing the arms back. Come into warrior 3. Turn the right toes pointing towards the mat. Stay here for 1 more breath. And now send your right knee forward, palms in your heart center. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, open arms. And now send your right leg back to warrior 2. Take a deep breath in and long breath out. Put the belly in. Stay here for 1 more breath. Right palm on the thigh, left palm facing up, dancing warrior. Keep your breath nice and long. On your next exhalation, bring your palms at the front of the mat. Lift the back heel of the mat, downward facing dog. Long inhale. Deep exhale. Bring your right leg between hands. Squeeze the inner thigh muscles and raise the arms up. Take a deep breath in and long breath out. Palms in your heart center. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, lean forward. And slowly shift your weight forward. Swing the arms back, warrior 3. Bring your torso and the left leg to parallel to the floor. Energize the fingers. Stay here for one more breath. And slowly bring your left knee forward. Palms in your heart center. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, open arms to your left. Stay here for one more breath. Slowly send your left leg back. Ground the back foot on the mat, warrior 2. Look forward, strong warrior here. Left palm on the thigh, right palm facing up, dancing warrior. Keep your back leg straight and strong. Stay here for one more breath. Bring your palms at the front of the mat. Lift the back heel of the mat, downward facing dog. Long inhale. Deep exhale. Drop the knees nice and wide, toes together, child pose. Extend the arms as far as possible and sit on the heels so you can lengthen the back. Stay here for one more breath. Inhale, look forward. Okay, from here we bring our knees together. Tuck the toes under and sit on the heels. So we just stretch our toes for a few breaths. Palms in your heart center. Close your eyes. Interlace the fingers. Inhale forward. Stretch the fingers. Exhale, chin to chest, round the back, put the belly in. Stay here for one breath. And inhale, raise the arms up. Draw the shoulder blades together. Stay here for one breath. And slowly release. Rest the arms beside the body. And now rest the palms on the mat. Bring your left ankle over the right and we sit on the mat. Extend the legs towards the front of the mat. Dorsey flex the feet. Inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, bend forward from feet. Micro bend knees and we lengthen our spine here. With every inhalation, lengthen the spine. With every exhalation, go deeper. Inhale, look forward and slowly release. Now soles of the feet together. Interlace the fingers. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend forward. And rest the palms on the mat. Relax the head. Soften the neck. Stay here for one more breath. Inhale, look forward and slowly release. Bring your knees together. Extend the legs towards the front of the mat and we lie down on the mat. Bend the knees and hug the knees to chest. So keep your back of the neck long here, chin slightly to chest. And now open arms at shoulder height on the floor. Roll the knees to your left side. Bring your knees to parallel to the hips. And try to drop the right shoulder down. Turn your head to the right. Enjoy the spinal twist. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Gently back to center, take your time. And now roll the knees to the other side. Stay here for 2 more breaths. And slowly back to center. Hug the knees to chest. Gently rock side to side to massage the lower back. Place the palms on the mat, extend the legs towards the sky. Dorsiflex the feet. So try to rest the lower back towards the mat. So we don't arch our lower back here. Rest the lower back. 1 more breath. And slowly rest the legs on the mat. Put the belly in. Relax the toes. Relax the thighs. Palms facing up. Draw your shoulders away from the ears. Close your eyes. Relax the eyebrows. Relax the lips. And we are in Savasana. Completely melting down the body onto the mat. This is to calm our nerve and stabilize the nervous system. Thank you for watching.